Morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Sorry, been a bit off with it this week because my companion coming by and he stayed over, and Tuesday I didn't have the time to do it, or Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday. Now it's Friday. We're back, and we've had some great moves in the market. So we've got 12 minutes left. We can see that we trickled up. Actually came above this level here, but that's why I left this one on. Because I was interested in that level. And what we actually can see is that price reacted from above here. There was not much liquidity, as I stated, in this area except for this gap. We took the highs and then we continued to the downside, taking out previous daily lows there. Now we have a new previous daily low and we have a new previous daily high up here. And actually looking at this, we can see that prices slowing down at this level. And I think this is like an inducement, the way it's moving. Look how rapidly it moved up. And then over there, it started to slow down. So this could either be internal range liquidity reacting from, and now prices reacting from this gap to continue further down. But as I said, we are still inside that bullish range on the high time frames. So for me personally, it's nothing more than, okay, we broke above here. And now we broke further to the downside. And although I think shorts are quite valid, I think that we might see turnaround now. Uh, but I can, of course, be completely wrong. And we just continue further down. But looking at that 4-hour candle there during New York, that's quite strong candle, right? So let's see what happens over here. We might get a potential short there. If we get one, it will be from this area right there. Where is it? There we go. The area we're in right now, like that. And where we took out into range liquidity. This is a supply zone that we took out. If that doesn't happen, then of course we look for shorts from up here. But for now, let's focus on this. Then 5 minute, what can we see? We've got Asia highs being taken out already. But Asia lows still being intact. That's the wrong one, but it still fits on. Looking at this, we have a low, a high, a high, low, a high, a high. Not really. Everything stays below. This just came above. Then we have a low led to a high. This could be a potential bearish break and then bullish break. Not really convincing here. Convincing. You just remove this real quick. Yeah, you could class this as a potential bearish break. Just a line. But yeah, gotta see, gotta see. Then we got above here. So if you class that, then you look for a potential entry over here, but we're still too early. You have to wait for Frankfurt. Sorry, to open in 10 minutes. Get above here and then get a potential short entry there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for EU, whether it's from this level or from up here. We'll see. We'll see. So yeah, daily candle, how did it close? Yeah, very strong to the upside. Whereas we just left wicks to the downside here. All those wicks, we can literally see high equals being formed, lower high, lower low, return. New week, Monday, barely any movement, or actually we moved down, we got up, got down, it's there. Yeah. All right. So I was just trying to read the structure from the just the candles. I was quite right. Yep, yep, yep. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for EU. Short from here. Then GU finally getting some direction, if you ask me. Look at these candles. And now we get some movement. Again, close below here. Again, still inside that range. What if we go to the 1 hour and we focus on the structure we marked out there? Still got that high that led to a low. Then we broke below here, took out the equals. And I said, actually, I want to see price get below here, which makes complete sense because this is the start of the liquidity. Oh, guess what? We got below there, and now we got the bullish move to the upside. So internally, we broke bullish. We can move this. So, um, yeah, bullish break there. There you have it, really. So internally or externally, we're bearish. Internally, we're bullish. Um, can't ignore that this was way more impulsive than this whole thing to the upside. But this is strong impulse here. I feel like these structures can be separated from each other as we can maybe just focus on the bullish one because of the fact that we took internal range liquidity to the to the downside here. And we've got that trend line thingy going on to the upside. Now we've got another one going on over here. So let's see what happens on GU. Pretty much same story where we can look for shorts from this area we're in right now because we are above previous daily highs right there. Nice range to work with. And if we go to the 15, we even got a nice kind of demand zone we can work with. Although it didn't take any liquidity, and really this is the one, the sell move that led to a buy move. But this is the move, the sell to buy move that led to the break. So both are quite valid. Yeah. Oops. Asia high is still being intact. The Asia low is still being intact. Yeah, that's really it. Um, yeah. So GU, I'm just thinking. I think it's best if you want to short, it's better to do it from up here. Or we could get something like this over here as well, where we get above Asia highs and then get the short, because then we take previous daily highs plus Asia highs. We know that there's still liquidity, but we have a valid set of confluences that that could work out, you know. So bit of a dilemma there. For EU, it's clear to me. I either wait for short from here, otherwise I can still look for short from here because there's not too much of a liquidity going on there. We've got this high, of course, and that trend line, but it's not that big of a deal compared to where GU we have this trend line thingy, and we've got the overall correctionalness of this entire move. So these highs are on the target for me. Looking at DXY, took that liquidity, caused a break, and now we bearish again. Low, high, higher, low, higher, etc. Bearish break. Try to get above there. We're building up liquidity there nonetheless, but potential turnaround coming in there. Let's see. Still got the liquidity there. So bit indecisive in on DXY and GU as I just see this liquidity here. And this break is very nice. We have to push here, but I wouldn't look for a long right now, you know. I would wait for a continuation bearish, which means on EU I would wait for a continuation bullish and then look for a short, which would mean for GU pretty much the same thing where we wait for either up here somewhere, probably wait for that area to be taken out and then look for a short. So yeah, like in terms of confidence, this EU makes sense for a short, but that's it. The overall story and area we're in is a bit tricky. So let's see. I get you guys in the market and good luck.